30 years ago, in the city of Campinas, Macom was created. It was a pioneer in creating and manufacturing post-surgical compression garments. Since the first days, Macom worked with the most renowned Brazilian surgeons, which resulted in its catalog of more extensive surgeries for several areas. In Brazil, we are in more than 7,000 selling points. Proudly Brazilian, Macom entered the world market, and today we export to Europe, Latin America, and Middle Eastern countries. All the processes and production are in compliance with all Brazilian health department, Anvisa and CE Mark international medical products rules. We value training, well-being, and partnership between employees and suppliers. Today, Macom has more than 100 products, from full-body compression garments to bras, sun protection gloves, and pieces made to measure for special cases. Our great pride is the work we do with various entities providing garments for the treatment of burns in adults and children. Use Macom and feel the comfort, support, quality, and all our affection.